Alright, we're back with a candid Casey Cameron can. Yes, I said it that fast. The few men I respect in this godforsaken company. TNT.
Hello there. How's life going for you, Casey?
I've been better. I'm parked blocks away.
Really?
Unlike last year where I had my VIP parking next to the tent.
What happened to your VIP parking this year?
That's what I'd like to know. It's a conspiracy.
It is. It is a
You!
conspiracy.
Walter Roberts.
What about me?
The one other guy that's been trained essentially as legitimately as I have.
Hey, thank you for acknowledging me in the same class as you.
Were you considered for the contendership matches this year?
I should be.
I feel the same way about myself. And him.
I should be. That's alright, don't know who Killer is.
But what's happened? Joe Jobber's making fun of my Casey Cameron cam.
How dare you?
Yes, my thoughts exactly. Some people's kids, the best thing to come out of Oshkosh right now, and damn it, I'm not considered for these matches. See the hat? FCW. Don't know what it is? Florida Championship Wrestling. Look it up online. Educate yourselves. TNT just spit on the ground.
Yes, I did.
You filthy boy. Don't reach in my camera view. Flip me off again. Fuck you too.
You might have kicked again.
TBD. Tony, I'm gonna kick you in the nuts. Your little fluffies will be hurting. Don't get that smirk off your face before I slap it off. That's a pussy ass slap, I know. It's kind of my balls. He totally saw that. And he's still got that smirk on his face. The little Jimmies are to blame.
$2 for 1, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you, R-Truth, for showing me the light. And thank you for the inventor of ramen. I hate ramen, but thanks for the inventor of it anyways. Feeding college kids across America. Genius! Sorry, I had to flip my LCD screen over there. I'm being stared at by more wrestlers now.
What's that?
Yes. Hectic is staring at me now.
What's up, man?
Wondering what the fuck I'm doing with a camcorder, sitting in the back of Barnaby's truck.
What are you doing?
This is the candid Casey Cameron cam. Exclusive for YouTube. Well,
Are you gonna cut the check now, or are you gonna cut the check later?
cutting a check? What? I already know there were checks. I'm being screwed out of pay too. It's a conspiracy. I'm not really trying to be funny. I'm trying to be serious, but it's in a funny way. So bear with me. I'm trying to be serious. Sort of. Maybe not really. Remember, I'm winning. Keep up with me on Twitter. Twitter.com/TheCaseyCameron. Check you later. Winning.